Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today we will be reading weapons and arsenal maps. First we're gonna start with arsenal maps. I just never played this map, so I'm moving it back. I've never played Abandoned Arena. I know the name of the map because I've seen it before. Bridge. I've played it once. And I didn't even play a full round on it. So D. I don't like the map. So so it's a C tier for me. The best map, but a good map. Agency, the same as Assault, basically. 67 plays a pretty good map. It's basically the better Boulevard. So for that, I'll also let us see here. Boulevard. Anyway, I've never played this map, so I can't rate it. Diner, Dizzy. You all know where Dizzy is going. S tier. One of the best maps in the game. It's the third best map in the game in my mind. Beach. No, it's not an F tier. It's just having a hard time scrolling upwards. When it's part of the trio. I don't know what this is, nor this map. Glacier. It's A tier for me. Not exactly a godly map, but it's a really good map. Hype Frights. Okay. Hillside. This completes the godly trio. Dizzy, Beach, and Hillside. These are my three favorite maps, if you're not aware. Kitchen Chaos. Yeah. D. Aircraft. That's a B tier for me. Like, I like the map, but it's not exactly my favorite. Lunar, I've never played that, so I'm not rating it. Or if I ever played Subway. No. Favorite YouTubers. Midtown. Plop. Actually, no, it gets a D tier in my mind. Not a good map, but it's not F tier like these two. And these two, it takes too long to find people. Mining Manor. I played it on this map during the Halloween event. I'd say a C tier. Safe House. D tier. Not exactly the best map, but it's kind of bad, but not terrible like these two. Sandtown gets an A tier for me. Not exactly it's not like these three, but it's really good. And there's only a few maps left. I have tier to rate. Actually, I lied. There's a fourth one to the Godly Trio. Now to the Godly Quadruo, because Villa, S tier. Villa is one of the best maps in the game. Vertigo. Even though this map is removed now, I've played on it a few times. I'm pretty sure it was removed in the sci-fi update, D tier for me. There's only a couple of maps on here left to rate. I wonder where Township is. Is Township even on there? Township was removed in the sci-fi update, I know, but it was a good map. If it was here, I'd probably put that A tier. There's only 2 maps here I have to rate. Street Corner, D tier for me. And Tuscan. So yeah, that completes my tier list for the maps. Of course, these ones that I've left here, I've obviously never played on them, so I can't really rate them. So, just trying to get weapons. No, there's a lot. There's a weapons to rate, I'd say. So many now. Have to scroll down. The first ones. The M79. C tier. G17. Also a C tier. DB Sosha. Why does he? No. Also a C tier. AA12 is an S for me. AK. Also an S tier. Let's use AWP. D tier for me. AUG. B tier. Autobow. C tier. Yep. That's right. I don't hate the Autobow. Brett. Don't worry, guys. Get back. Brett. Brett. It's an S tier for me. Baseball launcher. M1 and whatever this machine gun is called, I personally put it at being the first A. Compound bow. Bows aren't as bad as people make them out to be. Yes, they're still terrible. Kind of, but compound bow is the worst of the bows. D tier. Calico. Oh my. I might have to make the second part to this video, because it's starting to get kind of long, if you know what I mean. Concussion rifle is a D tier, not the best weapon. Crossbow is also a D tier. DB shotgun. Its only redeeming quality is that you could fly. If you couldn't, then it would be down here. DBS, slightly better version of it, so that's a tier. Deagle, B tier. Lightning round time, Dragunov, a S tier. Electric revolver, also S tier. M249, I think also an S tier. FAMAS, B tier. Firework launcher, why does this thing even exist? That's our first terrible weapon. FAL, A tier. G11, I think we might have our first S plus here. This thing is the best snipe. No, it's not the best. G18, A tier. Pretty good weapon. Another S plus. Golden gun, why does it even exist? Golden knife, why does golden knife? D tier. Grease gun, A tier. Hand cannon, C tier. Henry rifle, why does the Henry rifle even exist? I hate it a lot. Colibri, why does it even exist? I think I've committed the ultimate sin of putting the golden gun below the golden knife, but it's not a sin. High power, B tier. Hush puppy, why does it even exist? Ice stars, why do they even exist? Universal shotgun, B. Ma, Ella, D tier. Yeah, and this thing does kill your frame rates, but it's a pretty good weapon overall. Actually, no, because it kills your frame rates. Little Tom is a C tier for me. Luger, why does it even exist? Worst pistol in the game. M14 EBR, D tier. Let me just give all the carbines immediately S plus. This thing is a B tier for me. No, I said B tier. Also B. No, A tier because it has a noob tube. Also gonna be going in A tier. Also gonna be going in A tier. S plus. No, I said S plus. S plus. And an S. Why does this thing even exist? Actually, no, it's D tier because it's S tier for me. I love the dual volcanics. And yeah, I'm gonna have to make a second part. Guys, bye.